So in Kimi, what you can also do is you can go ahead and change up your account settings as needed. Let's say, for example, I can go around over here onto my account right here and then click on settings. So here you can see that I have this option right here. I have my name of the account as Pratik Pradhan, but I can also go ahead and add in, let's say, for example, TutuTube right here and click on save to actually go ahead and make the changes as well. Apart from that, we also saw how we can work around with light and dark mode right here. We can go ahead and change around the language of Kimi as well to either Chinese right here or English, and then you can also work around with common phrases and everything, which we are going to explore as we go along the course. You can see that expand sidebar on search is an option as well, so you can turn this off or turn it on, and you also have the logout option right here. And these are the account settings that you have access to while you're using Kimi. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.